Before cooking and slicing, you must first sharpen your knife. And to sharpen your knife, you will need a honing steel or sharpening steel. In this video, I used a honing steel. And to use a honing steel, start by holding it vertically with the tip placed on the counter or table. Slide the blade down and apply light pressure. Repeat this 1,000 times and all turning sides. The first cut that I'm gonna show is the rondel cut. The word rondel means round, and it is usually used to cut conical or cylindrical vegetables and fruits, such as carrots and cucumbers. To do the rondel cut, place the vegetable on the chopping board. Next, proceed to hold your knife perpendicular to the vegetable and make even-sized slices. Next is diagonals. Diagonals are elongated or oval-shaped slices of vegetables. They are produced with a cut similar to that is used to cut rondels, except that the knife is held at an angle to the vegetable that's being cut. Oblique cut, also known as roll cut. It is the method of cutting food with two angled sides. To do this, hold the carrot with your hand at the knife at a 45-degree angle. Cut and roll the carrot a quarter turn towards you. Cut and roll at the same angle each time. Bassinet cuts basically resemble sticks. To cut a carrot bassinet style, peel and slice it, then cut into portions. Slide the edges to obtain a square. Cut the square lengthwise with each cut 1/2 an inch thick. Make some even-sized slices from the carrot or even-sized strips from larger vegetables. Make one slice at a 45-degree angle to start off. Julienne resembles matchsticks and can be used in stir-fries, spring rolls, and salads. Julienne cuts can be made from the bassinet. Same slices and angles, but cut it into portions to make it a 3 mm thick. Brunoise are made by cutting first the carrot into sticks, following the procedure for cutting julienne or bassinet, then making cuts perpendicular to the length of the sticks to produce small cubes. This cut is a hard one. This cut called tourner, or to turn in French. It is a cutting technique that results in a football-shaped finished product with 7 equal sides and flat ends. Holding the carrot between the thumb and forefinger and slowly turn and cut into curved sides. The size of the finished product may vary. Paysanne can be produced by following the procedures in dicing. Paysanne can be shaped flat, square, round, or triangular. It is a classic vegetable cut for garnishing soups and other classic style dishes. The last and my favorite cut, a chiffonade cut. Chiffonade is a preparation of finely sliced or shredded leafy vegetables used as a garnish or a base under cold presentations. To do the chiffonade cut, evenly stack several leaves flat and lengthwise. Tightly roll the leaves into a bundle and cut it into thin slices. And that would be all. Thank you for watching.